That's right. Give it up. Still champion. Still the algebra champ. Still the middle school math champ. Brand new belt to the collection. Because I am now the pre-algebra champ. Just be aware. It keeps happening. The son of the teacher of the universe. Bring on the cheers. Bring them on. Come on, from the back. That's what I thought. All right, we're back for another day. Ready to do a little bit of math. Ready to do a little fun. Because, you know, why not? It's Thursday. Let's do this. So, first off, we got some stuff to open up. Start with baseball player. The one added to the collection. And, of course, don't forget, if we get an Astro player, they get the boot like that Bruins player did the other day. Let's see. Oh, no, we're safe again. Christian Yelich, he's pretty good. He used to play for the Marlins back in the day before, you know, he went to a better team. We got a little Disney character we got here. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Little Edna mode. Don't forget, superheroes out there. No capes. No capes. Because, of course, what happens with capes? You get sucked into the engines of airplanes and then you die. And nobody needs that. So, we'll push Joey Gallo out of the way up there. Oh, yeah, we got a little SpongeBob. Could be anything. What we get? Oh, sweet. Mermaid Man, ready to go. I don't think he's going to stand up on his own, but that's okay. We'll let him sit up here. Float up there. Or fall. One of the two. He's old, so it's okay. Pin time, of course. What we got today? Well, a little Steamboat Willie Mickey car. Not bad. The Mine Train, which, so close. You know, any day now, or by any day I mean any month now, they'll open back up Disney. Just going to one of the parks. Can't wait. And Cheshire Cat, Mickey ears. Some good ones for today. Oh, shoot. We almost did do a quote. Oh. Our flashback quote from Earth Day. Some people are like slinkies. Pretty much useless, but still make you smile when you push them down the stairs. Yeah, that's right. It's a good quote, I think. I mean, it's just kind of true. Let's see. Today's quote. I came, I saw, and I forgot what I was doing. What are we supposed to be doing here? Opened up stuff. Disney pins. Quotes. Oh, of course. I know what we're doing because, of course, we're supposed to be here for a math lesson. Absolutely. I think it's about time. Let's go to the board. Right now, John Cena. Let me tell you something, Mean Gene. You better pay attention. This is going to be on the quiz. The board is back. You're back. I'm back. It's time to do a little bit of math. Today, again, we're reviewing still for those algebra guys out there. Forms of linear equations, what we're talking about today. We're going to start with the one that everybody is most familiar with, slope-intercept form. Now we call it slope-intercept form, and it's going to blow your mind, I know, because math things aren't named for what they are, right? It's a joke. They're always named for what they are. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. We call it slope-intercept form because in the equation we're given the slope of the line and the y-intercept. Hence the name, slope-intercept form. Called slope-intercept form because we have the slope and the y-intercept given in the name. Right? Super simple. So again, y equals mx plus b. Well, how can we actually use that? How can we write an equation, or how can we write the equation of the line that way? Over here, we got a drawn line. It's beautifully drawn, I know, because I drew it, and I draw things so beautifully. Not nice. Figment. It's a jerk making fun of my line. Not cool. It's not nice. Right? Okay. We're good now. So we're going to write the equation of this line. Well, I need to know two things. I need to know the slope of the line and the y-intercept. We know the equation is going to have y equals something times x plus our y-intercept. In this case, our y-intercept is at 3. How do I know it's at 3? Well, that's the value of y when we cross the y-axis. Now I gotta just find the slope. I do know 2 points. We got 0, 3, and 2, 0. So we can find the slope by counting down. We go down 3 units, to the right 2 units to get from one point to the next. So our change in y is -3. Our change in x is 2. Y equals -3 halves x plus 3. Simple enough, right? Well, over here, ever so slightly to my left, or right, if you're watching this on the screen, we'll write the equation of the line that goes through these 2 points. It goes through the points -3, 1, and 6, -8. So, again, we're in slope-intercept form. We need 2 things. We need the slope and the y-intercept. Now, I'm not given the y-intercept yet. We just got 2 points. So I can use this to find the slope, and then we'll use that information to find the intercept momentarily. Remember our slope formula. M equals our change in y over change in x. So -8 minus 1 over 6 minus -3. -8 minus 1 is -9. 6 minus -3, or minus a negative, is the same as plus a positive. Positive 9 equals -1. So we know our equation is going to be y equals -1x, or -x, plus something, or minus something. What is that something? Well, in order to find that out, we're going to go over again. We're going to use what we know to create an equation to solve for b. I've got 2 points here listed, so I know 2 values. If x equals -3, y has to equal 1. If that's true, well then, we can set up an equation. 1 equals -1 times -3 plus b to solve for b. And again, this broken marker that keeps showing up every day. Somebody is messing with my classroom. Whichever one of you it is, dropping the hammer down. It's okay, I've got another marker right here. Oh, -3 times -1 is +3. So 3 plus b equals 1. Subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. We get b equals -2. Which means our equation is y equals -x minus 2. Simple enough, right? Slope-intercept form. Again, pretty familiar, pretty simple. We're going to do another word problem. I know, another word problem. Oh, I hate them so much. It's okay, we're going to do one. You'll enjoy it, I'll enjoy it, and then we'll be done for the day. I think we'll be pretty successful. Be right back with a little more math. Again, can't do this without the supporting fans all around the world. Literally all around the world. Siblings, Anthony, Ross, Rebecca, Nelson, all over this country. And by all over this country, I mean in Florida and Texas. And all around the world. And by world, I mean United States and Canada. But it doesn't matter. They're here supporting you, supporting me, supporting you, supporting me, supporting you. All right, we got a word problem. Your favorite, my favorite. I know we're all good. A studio charges $50 to make an album. They also charge $35 per hour for studio use. How much does it cost for 3 hours of studio time? Well, in order to work this out, we're actually going to create an equation, and we're going to use slope-intercept form again. First thing I need to know, what information do we have here? Well, I know that they're charging $50 to make an album. It's good to know. That's an unchanging amount. We know it's going to cost $50 for a one-time fee, right? It's not changing. They also charge $35 per hour for studio use. So if we want to create an equation knowing this, we know that hours is a changing thing. So let's use some variables here. How about, again, y is going to be our total cost. And x is hours in the studio. We're going to create our equation. So y equals 35 per hour, so 35 times the number of hours in the studio, plus our $50 initial fee, or $50 album cost. Now we've got an equation, we can use that to be able to come up with an answer to the question. How much does it cost for 3 hours of studio time? Well, all you have to do is plug in 3 for x and solve for y. $35 times 3 plus 50. 35 times 3 equals 105 plus 50. Y equals 155. So, for 3 hours of studio time. It would cost $155. Look at that as a sentence. English teachers would be proud, wouldn't they? I thought so. That's right. Bring on the praise. Wait, I think another belt? Yeah, that's right. Not only the math champion, English and mathematics champ. Let's go. I'm getting too many belts. Just saying. The champ is still here. Be right back, closing it out, and then on to Friday's videos. See you in a minute.
Few inches later.
Another great day. Another great day of math ready to go for you and for me. Tomorrow we're back with some more linear equations, and then it's the weekend, which means, well, for some of y'all, you'll be doing exactly what you've been doing all week because, you know, the days are running together. For me, I'm getting to take care of the step goal. We'll see you tomorrow.